I'd like to call upon the dignitaries on stage again. So let's please call upon stage Mr. Keshav Murugesh, Mr. Kamal Agarwal, Mr. Nirupam Chaudhary yet again, Mr. Atul Gupta, Mr. Shri Ganesh Parthasarathi, I think you shouldn't have left stage, and Dr. Chetan Samant. So they will be felicitating the toppers. Also, you will be receiving a Devang Mehta coffee table book, which is specially for your college library. So these are the few things that you need to keep in mind. Also, there'll be a group photo. So come with all of your faculties as well as representatives. All right, so the first one to be awarded is Adamas Institute of Technology. A huge round of applause to Adamas Institute of Technology. So here are the representatives from Adamas Institute of Technology. Please, ladies and gentlemen, give them a huge round of applause. They're getting all their certificates along with the Devang Mehta coffee table book. Also to remind you that the coffee table book is especially for your college library. Thank you so much. Can we please have the Academy of Technology entire team along with the representatives and faculties on stage, please? Here they are. Congratulations to the entire team of Academy of Technology. Give them a huge round of applause. Come on. That's Academy of Technology with their Devang Mehta Certificate Awards. Thank you so much. Next college to be coming up on stage is Bengal College of Engineering and Technology. Time to be all smiles. Okay, thank you so much. That was Bengal College of Engineering and Technology. Next up, congratulations to Birbhum Institute of Engineering and Technology. Please come with your representatives and faculty members. Right now we have with us Birbhum Institute of Engineering and Technology, who have received their certificates and coffee table book. It's time for the photo. Thank you so much. Well done to all of you and best of luck for the future. Next up, Camellia Institute of Engineering, please do come on stage for your awards. Congratulations to the entire team of Camellia Institute of Engineering. Please give them a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Very well done and congratulations. Moving on, I'd like to invite on stage Camellia Institute of Technology, please. This is quite a big team on stage. Well, congratulations to the entire team of Camellia Institute of Technology. Give them a huge round of applause. Smile. Next up, Camellia School of Engineering and Technology. Please come on stage with your representatives and faculty members. Congratulations to the entire team of Camellia School of Engineering and Technology. Please smile and congratulations. Great job. Thank you. Next up, please come on stage, Government College of Engineering and Ceramic Technology. Thank you so much. Well done. That was Government College of Engineering and Ceramic Technology. Next up, Haldia Institute of Technology. Please do come on stage. Congratulations to Haldia Institute of Technology. Thank you so much. Well done. Following Heritage Institute of Technology will be Hooghly Engineering and Technology College. All right, it's time for the photo. So let's be all smiles. Thank you so much. Well done. So that was Heritage Institute of Technology. Now I'll be calling on stage Hooghly Engineering and Technology College. Please come with your entire team. It's not there in my list. Not right now. Next up, can we have MCKV Institute of Engineering? Next up, Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology. Please come on stage with your entire team. Following Meghnad Shah Institute of Technology, RCC Institute of Information Technology. Please be ready with your entire team. And following them, we have Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Thank you so much. Great job. Next up, I'm calling on stage RCC Institute of Information Technology. Each college is getting the Devang Mehta Excellence Certificates along with the Devang Mehta Coffee Table book, which is meant for the college library. Thank you so much. Great job, RCC Institute of Information Technology. Congratulations to all of you. Next up, please come on stage, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Techno India Banipur, please come on stage with your entire team of coordinators and representatives. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to Techno India Banipur for all their efforts. And the next college I'll be calling up on stage is Techno India College of Tech, Rajarhat. So the next three names are Mallabhum Institute of Technology, NSHM Knowledge Campus Durgapur, and Institute of Engineering and Management. For now, well done to Techno India College of Technology, Rajarhat. And the last one from the Techno India group, Salt Lake, please do come up on stage to collect your awards. Thank you so much and well done. The next college to be coming up on stage to collect their awards is Mallabhum Institute of Technology. Thank you so much. Well done, guys. So next up, NSHM Knowledge Campus, please come on stage. Thank you so much, guys and girls. Next college to be coming up on stage will be Institute of Engineering and Management. Thank you so much and great job. Next up, please come on stage BP Poddar Institute of Management and Technology, Kolkata. Please come with your faculty members as well as college representatives. Congratulations to BP Poddar Institute of Management and Technology, Kolkata. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, please give them a huge round of applause. Thank you so much and great job. Next college to be coming up on stage to collect their awards is Calcutta Institute of Technology. Thank you so much. That was Calcutta Institute of Technology. Next up, can I please have Damkal Institute of Engineering and Technology on stage with their entire team? Thank you so much. That was Damkal Institute of Engineering and Technology. Congratulations to everyone. Next up, can I have Narula Institute of Technology on stage, please? Thank you so much, girls and boys. That was Narula Institute of Technology. Next up, Bengal Institute of Technology. Please do come on stage with your entire team. And Dr. Sudhir Chandrachud Degree Engineering College. Please do be ready near the stage. This was Bengal Institute of Technology. Well done. Our second last college is Modern Institute of Engineering and Technology. Thank you so much. That was Modern Institute of Engineering and Technology. And finally, last but not the least, can we please have Dr. Sudhir Chandrachud Degree Engineering College on stage? Thank you so much, and congratulations to all of these 28 colleges. And a huge round of applause. Girls and boys, please be seated. We still have a few important things left. And I'd like to thank all of you lovely gentlemen for being here and staying through all of the 28 colleges. So thank you, Mr. Keshav, Mr. Kamal, Mr. Nirupam, Mr. Atul, Mr. Sri Ganesh, and Dr. Chetan. I'd also like to ask Mr. Atul Gupta to please stay back to deliver the thank you note.